everybody, how's it going? So we got a part 3 update. I got all the painting finished for the 20-ton shop press. I'm just going to give you guys a look at everything. And then the next video I do, it will be completely assembled. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I got all the painting done on the shop press. I can't do any more painting in a sense, because I still need to recoat these with another set of black paint, because it dried, but I put them on some I lined my Vulcan cart, the top of my Vulcan cart, with toolbox liner, like the squishy foam style mats, and these ended up sticking. You know, they were dry for like 2 weeks, and I put them over there just to get them out of my way, and for the press plates, and for whatever reason they got stuck somehow, like I guess it wasn't dry or something. So even though it was dry to the touch, I guess because these are so heavy, it just it stuck. Ended up peeling some of the paint off. It's hard to tell that there was any paint peeled. There was a little bit, not a lot. But I'm going to do, just in case, I'm going to do another black coat on these guys. Everything else is done. So there's the springs and that coppery finish. Bottle jack. The leg brace. The arms. The feet. Because these are actually, I call them the arms, but you know, they end up, and it's dusty in here. It's been dusty. You can see the dust coming off of it because they've been sitting here. But these end up turning into the legs. So arms, legs, feet, the brace between the two arms and legs, the little braces between the arms or the legs and the feet that makes sure that they don't shift. The bottle jack attaches to this plate, which is the pressing plate. Here's the arbor plates. The wheels, I actually re-greased all the wheels and everything. And then I got both of these painted. The last video, which would have been part 2, was showing these guys. This one painted, and this one's still bare metal. I got it all painted. It's dry. I pulled this one in yesterday from hanging outside. It got really bad windy, and I went and grabbed it because it was hanging on the gazebo. It was dry already. It had been outside drying for about 2 days. Got extremely windy. I went and grabbed it, hoping that, because this piece was actually pulling the gazebo down about 4 or 5, somewhere in around 6 inches. It was making the middle of the gazebo bow. And last thing I wanted is the 70, 80 mile an hour winds that we had, making this piece swing, and then all of a sudden the gazebo collapses and all my paint and all that work went to nothing, because it would have chipped and everything. But so I got everything painted. I do like the blue. I think it will look really good with the green. That's what the blue looks like. With I turned a light on so you guys can see. It's what the blue looks like. It kind of has this purpley hue to it. But most blue does, especially navy blue. It has a purple hue, especially when you're looking at it from a distance. But it's actually blue. And then the green. So I'll get it all completely assembled and everything, and we'll see how it looks completely assembled. I do like the spring, the way the springs came out. It's a nice copper paint color, this Rust-Oleum paint right here. And then this section will be cleaned up in my kitchen. I gotta clean up this mess right here too. I got a lot of projects going on, and this is the garage. My wife's gardening stuff is in here. I got couple boxes here of stuff that needs to be burned. These items need to be burned. I need to take photos of these items for my wife's and, you know, cut the serial numbers and everything off of them because they're for her breast pump machines and everything like that. I got a little small weed eater engine in that box right there. But this room doesn't need much cleaning up. I have a bunch of Forerunner parts over here. This is dryer lint. I'm going to be using this to make, you know, these little egg cartons. If you put dryer lint in here, in each one, it's a little trick. I'll just show you guys real quick as, you know, as a trick. You take a little bit of, you know, lint trap from your dryer, put it in each one of these little cartons, and then you drip some candle wax on there, and it's a good fire starter. So that's why that's sitting there. This box is Forerunner parts, radiator Forerunner part, some stuff that I got this with the Capri stuff, the backpack, Napa Forerunner parts. It's actually not Forerunner parts, that's actually air hose, or brake, no, not brake hose, but hydraulic hose. And this is all AWP stuff that I picked up. Hole saws, my lights, my extra vacuum, filters, my Milwaukee backpack vac, you know, some lighters, bits, coolant funnel, some other stuff up here, a filter. I wrapped a filter that I cleaned. That filter's for the Forerunner. I cleaned it, oiled it, and I put paper towels around it, shop towels around it. I gotta clean up this spot right here. I need to clean up this spot right here as well. Just been really busy. The battery is right here charging. 0.2 of an amp direct current, 13.3 volts is what it's at, so the battery's doing pretty well. But just a quick update on the shop press. This is going to be part 3. This is going to be everything is completely painted. These are painted. There was a lot of rust on these. I did paint these already, so, you know, I could just go with it and, you know, put everything together and those can go back to work. I don't have to paint them again. I'm just going to paint them again just to make sure that they don't rust. The reason being that all of this got painted was because the way I got it, it was rusting. It was partially rusting out of the box when I got it. And this thing's going to sit outside in the elements. So for me, it was about time to be painted. It's been on a lot of videos where it wasn't painted. I told you guys probably 9 months, 10 months or more ago that I was going to paint it. But appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Let me know what you guys think of the color combination. I will do a live video or a video recording of it completely assembled when I have time to do that. It's just going to sit in my kitchen on some old towels until I get time to do it. You know, it's not really in the way of anything. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as the bottom of the description below, or the top of the description, I should say. I also have an Also Tools link. If you guys click on that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back 10% off of my next order, ulsatools.com. Let me know what you guys think of the hunter green and the dark navy blue. Appreciate you guys' time. And here's the chain that I used to hang both of these to paint. You can see that the chain got painted. So, and the shackle isn't painted, but you know, for $11 worth of chain at 2.5 feet, you know, they came in handy. If I was gonna do it again, I think I would have gotten a 3-foot chain, 3.5-foot chain as well, because where I hung these was at the very end for this one, because I hung it from this handle, so it was actually easier to paint this one because it was more my height. But hanging this one, because it's so far in, I hung it from here. It was just really, really high up. So if I was to do that over, I would do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!